Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. I tried to make restaurant style crispy chili baby corn at home. In this video, I will share the recipe with you guys. You can have it as a snack or a starter. So let's get started. At first you need to wash the baby corns properly and cut them into small pieces. Now take 4 cups of water, add some salt to it and boil the baby corns for 5 minutes. Prick it with a fork to check if it's cooked or not. Strain the water completely. Baby corns in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Add a little water and coat the baby corns well with the flour mixture. We are gonna deep fry the baby corns. Take a pan, add sufficient amount of oil, and when the oil is hot, carefully place the baby corns into the oil and deep fry them till they are golden brown in color. Now place the baby corns in a kitchen paper to soak the excess oil. Now add some oil on a pan and add some chopped garlic. Add some diced capsicum and onions. Add some salt and black pepper powder and stir fry for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar and a little honey. Now mix them properly with the vegetables and stir fry for 5 more minutes. Now add the fried baby corns and mix it with the vegetables. Coat the sauce well and stir fry for 5 minutes. Your crispy chili baby corn is ready. Serve it hot and don't keep it for too long, as the baby corns will lose its crispiness. I love baby corn as a starter and I hope you guys will like this recipe too. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you.